Morning, ladies and gentlemen, Stan here from FAMS. Just a quick rundown on how to do the wiring on the tank to nozzle readers on this PC board here, which I have an empty one. It looks like this before installation. Be a board like this. The wiring is going to be as follows. The outside sleeving you're going to put in by this TB5, then your following wire is going to be your B line that will go in by this RS485 TRM, and then your A line will go in by TR. Then your positive and negative is going to go in negative by ground, the third terminal, and your positive will be on the first terminal, the AC terminal. In the FAMS unit, the positive and negative, you can either put the positive and negative in this first two connectors here, as you can see, live on the left hand side and negative on the right hand side. And then your A and B line, A and B will be the two center connectors. And you can also put your positive and negative onto these 2 points on the sides.